Today I have made soft and delicious cake which melts in your mouth. Let's start. You need 250 gram of date chopped into small pieces and add half cup of hot water and half teaspoon of soda bicarbonate and keep it for half an hour. The next step, I'm adding 180 gram of brown sugar, but you can take even white sugar. I'm adding room temperature soft butter and mix it well with a blender. Now add egg one by one. I'm adding totally 4 medium-sized eggs. The dry ingredients you need 250 gram, that is 2 cup of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, and add pinch of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and sift the dry ingredients. Use the spatula to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Mix it well with a blender or a hand whisk. This is the texture you'll get after blending. It's time to add 250 gram of soaked dates. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is the consistency of a date cake. I have taken 9-inch square baking pan. Now add the cake batter. Tap the pan so that the batter spread evenly and to remove the air bubbles. Bake at 160 degree for 60 minutes in preheated oven. You can bake the cake according to your oven and heating. Always make sure to check the cake in between and use the toothpick or small knife to check whether the cake is completely baked or not. The date cake is very soft and delicious. Sugar I have taken 180 gram, but in a cup measurement approximately I have taken less than 1.5 cup of brown sugar. Thanks for watching.